This is how to make these smooth fading TikTok captions in Premiere Pro. So if you have these orange captions, you first need to select them and then go to graphics and titles and then select upgrade caption to graphic. This will give us these pink text layers that we can actually animate and change. Now select the first text layer and then in effects controls under opacity click on the ellipse mask. And this will give us this mask that we can adjust. And to make the smooth fade you need to make it an oval shape. Now drag the mask to the left so that the text is hidden. And then make sure you're at the start of the clip. Now to animate the mask, you need to click on the stopwatch next to mask path to create a keyframe. And then move to the end of the clip and then click on mask 1 to reveal it. Now simply drag the mask to the other side of the screen. And this will give us this text effect. Now to make the text actually fade, you need to increase the mask feather. And this will smoothen out the mask. But don't increase the feather too much. Otherwise the text will get gray from the inner feather. So instead you can increase the mask expansion to make it bigger. But if we move to the first keyframe, we can see that the text is visible when the mask is off screen. So to fix this, simply click and drag the mask further off the screen. And do the same thing at the end keyframe. And we now got this fade in text effect. If you want the text to be visible for longer, you can increase the mask expansion to make the mask bigger. And therefore, once again, you need to adjust the mask so the text is invisible at the start and the end of the clip. And you might even need to zoom out to be able to move the mask. This is how it looks. Now to apply this effect to the other text layers, you can select the opacity effect and then copy it by pressing Ctrl and C. And then select the text layers in the timeline and then press Ctrl and V to paste the effect. And we now got this fade effect. But if you have multi-line text, then you need to duplicate the text layer by holding Alt or Option on Mac and then dragging the layer. Now on the top layer you want only the top text to be visible, so we need to remove the bottom text. And on the bottom text layer you want only the bottom text, so remove the top text. But if you try to remove the top text you might select the wrong layer. So to fix this you can simply lock the top text layer and then it should be easier to remove the top text. You should now have one layer with the bottom text and one layer with the top text. But we still have this ugly animation. To make them animate at slightly different times, you can simply move the bottom text layer forward a bit and this will give you this effect.